What if your skincare routine started on your balcony or windowsill? Many common plants have been used for skincare for hundreds of years, soothing burns, calming irritation, supporting healthy, glowing skin. The best part? Most of them grow beautifully in pots. Today, I'll share 10 skincare plants you can easily grow in containers, even in small spaces. These are beginner-friendly, practical, and still widely used in natural skincare as of 2025. Let's dig in. 1. Aloe vera. Aloe is the most famous skincare plant for a reason. The gel inside the leaves helps soothe burns, cuts, and irritated skin. It loves bright light and dry soil. Overwatering is the fastest way to kill it. Always use fresh gel and do a small skin patch test first. 2. Calendula. Calendula petals are gentle and skin-friendly. They're often used in creams and salves for sensitive skin. This plant grows easily in pots and blooms for months. It prefers sun but tolerates light shade. Dry the petals and store them for later use. 3. Lavender. Lavender is known for calming both skin and mind. It's used in oils, toners, and bath products. It helps soothe minor skin irritation and redness. The scent also promotes relaxation. Lavender needs sun and excellent drainage in pots. 4. Chamomile. Chamomile is incredibly gentle. That's why it's popular in baby skincare. It helps calm inflamed or itchy skin. It's also used in facial steams. Grow chamomile in a sunny spot and harvest the flowers when fully open. 5. Rosemary. Rosemary improves circulation and has natural antioxidants. It's often used in hair and scalp care too. For skin, it helps with oil balance and clarity. It grows well in pots with plenty of sunlight. Avoid using strong homemade rosemary products on very sensitive skin. 6. Mint. Mint has a cooling effect on the skin. It's great for tired feet and summer skincare. It can help with itchiness and mild irritation. The scent feels refreshing. Grow mint in pots only. It spreads fast. 7. Gotu kola. Gotu kola is famous in Asian skincare. It supports skin repair and elasticity. Modern studies still use it in wound care and anti-aging products. It prefers moist soil and partial shade. This plant loves humidity and regular watering. 8. Neem. Neem is known for its antibacterial properties. It's often used for acne-prone skin. The leaves are bitter but powerful. Neem grows well in warm climates and large pots. Use neem gently and in diluted forms. 9. Lemon balm. Lemon balm is soothing and lightly antiseptic. It's often used for sensitive or stressed skin. It has a soft lemon scent, very calming. It grows easily in containers and prefers partial sun. 10. Sage. Sage has natural astringent properties. It's helpful for oily skin and large pores. It also has antioxidants that support skin health. Sage prefers sun and drier soil. Like rosemary, a little goes a long way. Extra tips. Always do a patch test before using plant-based skincare. Use clean tools when harvesting leaves or flowers. Fresh plant material is best for gentle use. Grow plants organically if you plan to use them on skin. Avoid essential oils directly on skin without proper dilution. If you love the idea of growing beauty right at home, give this video a like. It really helps the channel grow. Subscribe for more simple, plant-based gardening tips, and comment below. Which skincare plant are you growing already, or which one are you excited to try? Thanks for watching and happy growing.